Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Samsung Galaxy M16. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on General Management. Now click on Reset, and then you have to scroll down and click on Factory Data Reset. Now you have to scroll down again and click on Reset again, and here you have to enter your PIN code and click Continue. Now click on Delete All, and here you have to enter your password for Samsung account. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.